Hi, I'm Kit Rich. This is an upper body routine. You're going to need a set of light weights, anywhere from 1 to 5 pounds. This is my friend Giovanna. She's going to be doing the routine with me. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. We're going to start warming up your arms. Take your legs wide, knees soft, and let's just begin circling your arms. Getting some circulation going. Chest up for me. Very nice, and then let's reverse that, going back, up and forward. Good, and from here, your arms are just gonna go forward and back. Make sure you're crossing, alternating the cross each time. Let those hands be loose. And then from here, take the right arm up, grab the elbow, stretch up and over. Let's go for little pulses here. Head back a little bit. And then switch it. Arm up and pulse it out. And then last one, arms go forward, open up your chest and then round your spine. And open and cross the arm each time. Open, round, stretch the upper back. Give me 2 more. Last one. And grab your light weights. All right, let's begin. So we're gonna start here with an overhead shoulder press. Your legs are wide, your knees are soft, arms up, and begin pushing up and down. Now, real quick, you wanna make sure that your elbows are staying slightly in front of your shoulders. You don't wanna pop your elbows up at the top, keep slight softness at all times. And notice that my elbows are not dropping too low underneath. We're keeping it pretty traditional with this move. And from here, on this next one, hold it down halfway and pulse those arms. Good, small movement. Abs in, knees soft. You're doing great. You have 10 seconds, and then we're gonna move into a back fly. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet come together about hip width, arms forward, chest up, and push the arms back behind you. So they're going back at a diagonal. You don't want the arms to go straight up. So imagine as though the wrists are trying to hit the back wall. Then you can really feel that energy between the shoulder blades squeezing. Very nice. Last 5 seconds here. 1 more, and then bring the arms back up. You're now gonna frame your face. Elbows are glued in, you look like a picture frame around your face, and just pulse those arms up. The tendency in this move is to lean back into the heels. I want you to stay forward towards the balls of the feet and the toes. Now I have 5-pound weights with me. If you're finding that these heavier weights are really tough to do these moves, you can always have the option of losing the weight and then come back to it when you're ready. From here, hold this. You're gonna extend one arm and then switch. And then switch. So now we're working in the bicep, but you're still gonna feel those shoulders working. This pain is temporary. We're gonna be moving into triceps soon. Stay with me. Shoulders down the back. Last 5. And from here, pull your elbows back, tricep kick back. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. My elbows are in a fixed position. My chest is up. So the tendency here is to round the spine. Notice how that looks. Doesn't feel too good either. So keep that chest up and keep pushing. Stay doing what you're doing. I'm gonna ask G to turn to the side so everyone can see what we're doing. From here, on this next move, straighten out your arm and go for a tiny bend and then push the arm straight. Tiny bend, push it straight. Good. So the emphasis is really on that straight arm, squeezing those muscles. You have 10 seconds here. Good. In 3 seconds. Now hold the arms straight, drop them down towards the knees, and then on an exhale, push right back up. Go down, the palms are facing each other, lift right back up. Careful, don't lift those shoulders up by the ears. These 5-pounders get pretty heavy, so do the best you can. Last 5 seconds here. Good, now drop the arms down, turn the palms facing back. Keeping the position of the chest, start to go for big circles. Out and in. Do not let those shoulders round. Feel the squeeze of the upper back here. Keep going. Chest up, abs in. Let's reverse it. Back up and forward. How are those threes feeling? Good, last one here. And come to stand. Woo! All right, so now I want to blast this out. You're going to take your arms up. And remember how we started with a shoulder press? We're now just going to move the waist, pushing each arm up. Ready? Let's go for it. Up, up. Moving that waist, knees are soft. Just give it that little extra power. That's right. Here we go. 15 seconds on the clock, pick it up. Dance it. Yeah. Almost there. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're gonna come down to the floor. So you're on your knees, and we're gonna start with actually just one weight so it's more isolation for the back of the body. So let's put one weight off to the side. Your right hand is going to be on the floor. You're holding the weight with your left, and you're on both knees. They're directly underneath your hips. You have a neutral spine, and from here, you're going to fly your left arm out to the side. Fly it, and then drop, and just continue like that. Fly, and drop. This is a particularly hard move for a lot of people because our upper backs tend to be weaker, especially with how much we're leaning forward nowadays with our cell phones and computers and work. Let's go for 2 more. And then switch it. Switch arms and go. Fly it. Feel the right shoulder blade squeeze into the left one. Good. Let's go for 3 more here. 2 more. Last one. And put the weight off to the side. So now we're going to go into a modified push-up. Feel free to do this off your knees, but I always do my push-ups modified. It gives me more range of motion. Your arms are wider than your chest. You're going to bring your hips forward. So you're in one direct line from your head, shoulders, hips, and knees, and lift your feet up. Perform 1 push-up, getting your chest as close to the floor as you can. Inhale down, exhale up, and then when you come up, the right hand is going to tap your left hand. And then you go back out, and then push up, and then alternate. If you need to widen your knees for more stability, go for it. You can also, I'll demonstrate, you can do it off your knees. Keep going. "15 seconds on the clock. You're doing great, G. Last one. And take a breather. Nice work. So from here, I want you to grab your weights one more time. You're going to stay on your knees this time. Come on up. You're going to take your weights up. Have your weights connect to each other and take them all the way behind your neck. Keep your ribs in, your abs in. Push the arms all the way up and back down. Push up and down. So we just went from front to back. We did the chest, and now we're in the tris. Okay, now here comes the really hard part. We're gonna half the range of motion. Go all the way up, come down just to the crown of your head and push back up. Down to the crown of your head, push up. Can you keep your torso still for me? It's hard on your knees. It makes the arms work a lot harder. Now on this next one, hold it up. Now take it all the way down to the base of the neck. Now only come up to the crown of your head and then back down. Come up and down. Oh man, up and down. You feel that? It burns. Last one. And then finish with 3 full range of motions. Up and down. Lift up and down. Last one. And relax. All right, putting the weights off to the side for the final move. You're gonna come onto your stomach for a hold. All the way down onto your stomach. Arms out to the side. Now I said put the weights off to the side. If you wanna hold each weight in each hand, feel free, just know it's a lot harder. Last part here, let's come on up and hold. Squeezing the glutes, lift your legs up if you can. If that doesn't feel good, you keep them down. Squeezing that upper back. Last 10 seconds here, hold. Abs in tight. Stay in that. In 4, 3, 2, and relax. Come on up, come to sit. Let's stretch that out real quick. You did great. Crossing your right arm over, hook it with your left. Breathe. And then switch. Ooh, my arms are on fire. And then taking the tricep stretch, grabbing the elbow with your left hand. And then switch. Releasing that down, stretching your arms up to the sky, palms come together, hands to your heart. You did great. Now feel free to do that same routine twice, add it to another routine, or let it just be your standalone routine today. Great job. See you next time.